Alright, today we're going to be doing the shunt mod on a 500 watt e-bike link controller. It's for the rear 500 watt on my dual motor bike. I want to see if get a little bit more power out of it. Today I did a test when I had it out, and the back was only pulling 18 amps. So I want to see if just do a little mod on it, try to get it up just over 22, maybe 25. So we'll see how this works out. So we're going to open this thing up. On this controller, I'm only doing about 25% of the shunt bars. I don't want to overdo the geared hub that I'm running, but I do see a lot of videos where they solder the whole shunt bar to get a full increase. Okay, these shunts are down in there a little bit, but you can see them, there's two of them. I'll zoom in so you can get a better picture, but there they are. So we're gonna heat up, we're gonna put a little solder across both of them. All right, so here's your two shunts. So let's try this out. Okay, so I'm going to start with that. I'm not shunting the whole parallel shunt there. I'm only doing about 30% of it. See how that responds first. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together. But you can see the two are bridged together with some solder. This one has two. Sometimes you open up some controllers, there will be one. You can pretty much just coat the whole shunt itself, the single one, with solder. Just trying to thicken that thing up, you know what I mean? Okay, there you go, all back together. Let's get it on the bike and we'll see how it does. All right, let's get it hooked up.